How do I install third-party apps on my Roku device?
Hey there, Roku users! In this video, we'll guide you on how to install third-party apps on your Roku device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enjoy a wider variety of content on your Roku.
What are third-party apps?
Third-party apps are applications that are not officially available on the Roku channel store. These apps can offer additional content or features that you might not find in the official store. However, keep in mind that installing third-party apps can come with some risks, like malware or content piracy. Always use trusted sources and proceed with caution.
Enabling developer mode.
Before installing any third-party app, you need to enable developer mode on your Roku device. Here's how. 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. 2. Go to Settings, System, Developer Options. 3. Select Enable Developer Mode and agree to the terms and conditions. 4. Set a password for developer mode. Remember this password, as you'll need it later.
Finding the app's package URL.
To install a third-party app, you'll need its package URL. You can usually find this information on the app developer's website or in online forums. Ensure you're using a trusted source to avoid any potential risks.
Installing the third-party app.
Now that you have the package URL and developer mode enabled, follow these steps to install the app. 1. On your computer or smartphone, open a web browser and navigate to the Roku device's IP address. You can find this by going to Settings, Network, About on your Roku device. 2. Enter the username and password for developer mode. The default username is RokuDev, and the password is the one you set earlier. 3. Click on Upload and then enter the package URL for the third-party app. 4. Select Install and wait for the installation process to complete.
Accessing the installed app.
Once the installation is complete, you can find the third-party app on your Roku device's home screen. If it doesn't show up immediately, restart your Roku and check again. That's it. Now you know how to install third-party apps on your Roku device. Enjoy the expanded content options and happy streaming. Remember to be cautious with the sources you use for third-party apps, and always stay safe online.